In this video, I will continue talking about automate menu. And in this video, I want to talk about this option, contact sheet. Let's say, for example, you have a bunch of images and you want to automatically combine them in organized sheets of paper, and under each one of them its name. Of course, doing that will take pretty much time, but not with this option. Let me show you how. Choose from here the folder that has the images you want to combine, and here is some options. For example, include subfolders or group images by folder. And in this section, you can determine the document size. For my case, I'm making it 21 in 29.7 for an A4. And of course, the resolution and color mode. I assume you have an idea about this section. And here in the thumbnail section, you can choose how many columns and rows. I'm making it 2 columns and 3 rows. And you can here choose the font and the size of the font, if you of course want to type the name of each image. Now let's click OK and see what will happen. Now, as you can see here, Photoshop has made a well-organized sheets of paper with 2 columns and 3 rows, and below each image you can see its name with the font and the size we have chosen. Pretty easy, pretty quickly. And now if you want to print it out, just press Ctrl P and print it out. In the next video, I will show you an easy way to combine each of these 3 documents in one PDF file, also with one click.